Today we are making one of the easiest and most delicious things you can keep in your fridge. It is homemade caramel sauce. And what I love most about this is it's foolproof. No candy thermometer, no stress, and it turns out perfect every time. And wait until you see the taste test because you are gonna crave it. And I'm craving caramel sauce, so let's get started. Okay. In a heavy bottom medium saucepan, combine your sugar and water. Using a spatula, stir until the sugar is combined with the water. Then set the pan over medium-low heat and stir just until it melts. Make sure to avoid high heat or it can crystallize. Once the mixture turns clear and starts to simmer, stop stirring and swirl the pan occasionally until the mixture is completely liquid and very light amber in color. Towards the end, you'll notice as you keep swirling that those bits of sugar stuck to the side of the pan will melt into the sauce. Do not let the mixture brown too much or it'll taste bitter. Once you see it starting to get color, reduce the heat to low and add in half your butter at a time, whisking until fully incorporated. The mixture will bubble vigorously and that's normal. If it separates, take it off the heat and whisk until it comes back together. Next, gradually whisk in your warm cream. It will bubble up and steam, but keep whisking until it's completely smooth. If you want to double check with a thermometer, the caramel is done when it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it off the heat and stir in your vanilla and salt. Look at this. It is thick, glossy, and just the right drizzling consistency. Also keep in mind that as this cools, it will thicken up a lot. So if you want it thicker, like for dipping caramel apples, which you totally could, just let it sit and cool down a little bit. And it keeps well in the fridge for like 2 weeks, so it stores really well. Look at how it flows. Oh, thick, buttery, and it has that rich caramel aroma. I love those ribbons of caramel. And you can use this on so many different desserts. You can drizzle it over ice cream, drizzle it over your coffee, put it onto cheesecake, all kinds of cakes, cupcakes, cookies. Use it as a dip for apples. Make caramel apples in the fall. It puts every store-bought version to shame. It's amazing. You're never gonna want store-bought again. Hopefully we don't overflow this jar. And here's what I mean by it puts store-bought versions to shame. First of all, it tastes so good. This is the best one that I could find at my local grocery store. Premium sauce, I don't think so. And then you look at the ingredients and the first ingredient says corn syrup. No thank you. Blech. Barf, barf, barf. And then it has natural flavor, which we're not sure what that is. So, bye-bye. I am totally craving this. It's still a little bit hot, but I think we can do a taste test, right? I think we can. And I've got apples here from my mom's yard. I feel like this is the best after school snack. My daughter loves enjoying homemade caramel sauce this way. Just gonna slice up this beauty. Right from my mom's trees.
And your dad's trees.
And my mom's and dad's trees. Love you, Dad. Look at this. It is simply irresistible. Totally an amazing caramel apple dip. You don't have to unwrap those little candies ever again. It's so delicious. Hope it's not so hot that it burns my mouth. Here we go. It's so good. It has like this rich, deep flavor. If you like a darker caramel sauce, like if you let the sugar cook longer and go beyond that like golden color, you'll get a darker one. But I don't know, I kind of feel like it starts tasting burnt after a while. This is the most kid-friendly. You have to try this recipe. It's gonna be the star of your fall desserts. It really elevates everything. Make it once, you'll make it over and over. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this very much. I mean, come on. Let me know if you guys have any recipe requests. Also, let me know where you spotted Sharky. I have a date with this caramel sauce. It's so good. Better go put on my stretchy pants.